I'm 61 years old. I worked 33 years in law enforcement, and in the next 3 to 4 months, I've made the determination it's time to retire. My name is Brad Kemp. I'm with Blue Nile Farm. Welcome to the channel. One of the biggest factors that bothered me when I was thinking about retirement, and I've actually pushed my date up a year in advance, was fear. I am so afraid of retiring and leaving behind my security, not having that job that I've relied on for 33 years, having that security blanket that's there, the fear of just not having it anymore and letting it go. It's that chapter in my life is going to be behind me. And so I was thinking about all these things that make me afraid. And I also had another fear along with my retirement, and it wasn't just the fact of, the retirement, it was also my health. In my 33 years of law enforcement, in the last 15 years, I have not had a primary care doctor. Also, I have not been physically had a good physical. And I know that in the 10 years of law enforcement, 10 years of my life, I worked meth labs where I did a lot of dismantling of meth labs, and I was around hazardous chemicals. Also, for 10 years, I have a rebaling hay operation on the farm here where I've been involved with a lot of dust. And I wanted to get checked out. And 30 years of smoking is another big factor. So I wanted to get all these things taken care of now and make sure my lungs are clear and I'm in good health standing. And I'm in the process of going through that right now. So I was very fearful of going to a doctor and getting that assessment. And I always felt that if there's something slightly wrong that they could fix, I would want to get it fixed while I have good insurance. Another factor is insurance. One thing I didn't want to do is spend a lot of money, because I've heard a lot of horror stories from people that retired early that they're paying for insurance and how expensive it is. So I know that I'm going to be covered. I'm at 61, and after I retire, for 18 months I will be under COBRA insurance, and because I have a governmental job, that's a positive thing. And they have pretty good insurance where I work, and I'll only have to pay for 2 years before I get on Medicare, and I'm willing to pay that just to get out early. So that's something I accept, and I think that's a good decision that I can do. The other thing is there's so much things going on in the farm, and the farm's like a full-time job, and I always worry about not having the time or the energy to get things done. Well, when I retire, I should have lots of time, but I want to retire early enough while I have the energy to get things done. So that's a very important factor for me too, because my purpose has always been to retire into my farm, and that farm is to create some more extra money to keep me moving forward in my expenses while I still get my pension. And that's a very positive thing for me. So I'm trying to develop this farm. It's been a goal of my life, my entire life. If I could have left the law enforcement job and farm full time, I would have done it for years. But I've used the law enforcement job, to create the farm. And I'm very grateful that I had that opportunity to do so. And so it works out in my favor. And money, obviously having enough money to retire is something that, because that burden's on me. In my lifetime, I've been through 2 divorces, and I have no kids. But, financially, everything has always been on top of my shoulders for my success in life. And, I've never had anybody to rely on other than myself. So, again, this same thing goes along with my retirement. It's all up to me, and I think the timing is correct. And timing is the most important aspect to retirement. Are you really ready, and are you sure this is the correct time? We all go through life forging our own retirements. I forged mine. But I know one thing. Now is the time. I put my time in. I got 33 years of law enforcement under my belt. I'm 61 years old. I want to enjoy the rest of my life. So time is now. And now is what I am going to do, and I'm going to take that retirement and run with it. So until next time, thanks for watching, guys. I'll talk to you soon.